My quest to build an off-grid mini homestead theoretically was built in reverse order. First I built my solar-powered cabin, which you can view by clicking the link at the top. Then I built my outhouse, which can be found by clicking this link at the top. Having little room to cook inside my small cabin, I needed a place to cook, so I invented this little cook shed for some extra elbow room, and at the same time I needed a place to keep firewood to stay warm in the winter. Here you'll see my finished project. Stay with me, I'll describe the process in a little bit more detail. This dual-function building will serve two purposes: a cook shed in the front and a wood shed in the back. A wall down the center will separate the two sections. The dimensions I chose were 10 foot by 8 foot, where each section would be then roughly 5 feet deep and 8 feet wide. The starting point of the project was to use my post hole digger to set 6 4x4 posts down below my frost line to 48 inches, and to set them on top of small concrete cookies. After this, the framing of the roof goes on, leaving room for about 4-inch overhang in front, back, and on the sides. I don't have much of a slope on this roof, and I wish I had increased it because those two solar panels that you see in the foreground will ultimately go on top of the roof. When it snows, the low slope holds the snow on top of the panels. I'll have to work this summer to increase the slope of the panels so that they'll shed snow. I regret that I did not take many pictures in the process of building this. My next step was to put on the metal roof. In the previous photo you saw the roof framing, and on top of that I placed purlins to which the roof is attached. I then laid the floor joists into place with treated 2x6s and topped them with treated standard 5/4 decking. The solid back wall has no gaps, and it's made from 1x8s. The side walls use the same, but they were spaced to allow for ventilation. Wood chips placed in the floor help keep things nice, neat, and tidy and mud-free. Here you'll see I use galvanized steel roofing as a protective backing behind my grill to keep heat from becoming an issue near the back wall. Last but not least, I moved my solar panels, which charge my battery located inside my cabin, up to the roof. And I fed a buried electrical supply line back to the cook shed so I would have lighting while I cooked at night. I used two 12-volt light strips like this, purchased via Amazon at a cost of about $15. They make it easy to tell when the pizza is done on the grill.